So hi friends, today I will show you all my strawberry garden. So see friends, here are lots of plants. I like gardening so much that here most of the plants are strawberry plants. So you can see friends, here are some flower pots also. So let's show you some ripe strawberries. So friends, here is one strawberry. It is fully ripe. These strawberries are actually so sweet. Here more I covered it to protect them. So let's cover this one also with this cloth. So it is covered now. So here are more strawberries that are not still grown fully, but they will go quick. The size is so good. So hi friends, you can see in this pot so many ripe strawberries are present. So here are more too, and there is one. Oh, it is also ripe. So let's try it. So here is a strawberry. So let's try it. It tastes so good. So bye friends. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel.